Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel of course to my very own country, which is the Philippines. Kumusta kayong lahat? And the title of this video, I know that Ninin always supporting in our channel for Marco Rodio performances, and to the others. I know that one of the person or supporter of Marco Rodio commented with this one and suggested with this performance that we need to do some reaction for today is entitled Kagumi by Marco Rodio, and I think this performance is I Want ASAP. And credit also with the owner of the video to Laking GSBC. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch the full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it and for video reaction purposes and commentaries. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. Let's get to it guys and enjoy with this. Thank you to all the supporter of Marco Rodio, and even leave your comments and suggesting with my next video reaction, and I truly appreciate with that one. Let's get to it. Enjoy with this. Kago.
You're a superhero.
By Marco Rodio.
Paano kung hindi ka nakilala? Siguro nakakulong pa rin sa nakaraan, di makalaya ang sarili, dinadaya, naglalasing-lasing, hindi pala kaya. Ayokong magising na di ka kasama. Kung nandito ka sa tabi, mas masaya sana dahil sa totoo lang.
Oh my God! I cannot imagine like the crescendo, how he just started mellow, soft, sweet, and then getting into high pitch, and that's incredibly amazing. That I know that he truly deserved, no question about it. He showed his very talent that he can sing high pitches, he can sing everything, like goodness gracious. The handsomeness, the talent, he is like, please give him a show that he can perform every huge stage in the world or even in the Philippines, because this guy can sing everything. And I really like his rendition on this Kagumi. This is amazing. Like, oh my God, you can feel those emotions, you can feel the softness, you can feel like the emotions that he did in the song, that every song that he sings, he just put himself into it and feel it, and like you can see in his facial expression. Bravo!
Ayoko lang to naramdaman. Ganito palang magmahal, merong kabaliktaran. Bago maintindihan, minsan kailangan masaktan. Paano kung hindi ka nakilala? Siguro nakakulong pa rin sa nakaraan, di makalo. Baby, let's go one more time. I can get you out of my mind, yeah. Di na makapaghintay, yeah. I just want to get by. I just wanna see you smile. I just wanna feel your vibe. I know it's hard sometimes, but we gonna be alright. Dahil pag ikaw ang kasama ay wala na nga hanapin bang iba. Gusto ko sana lumalim ang ating pagsasama. Kaya dito ka na lang manatili hanggang umaga. Sino nga?
Oh my God, those rap thing, those like changes. I really like this song because there is like a Tagalog and an English, and it's so amazing. The meaning of the song, it's so incredibly well written song, and I think this song is like written for him, because the way he just sing it, it's more amazing. Like Like, respect to the original singer and writer of the song, but I think this is suit to him. The way he just sing it, those emotions, those like a melody that he just did. It's so beautiful and it's so magical that I really want him. The way how he just changed with those rap thing he just did. It's phenomenal and it's so magical for me that I really like how he did. Goodness gracious, he is a really really like fantastic artist, and I really believe in his like ability. He can sing any song, just give him and he will just like turn into something. He just twisted into so beautiful to listen and to watch. Bravo, Marco Rodio, you're beautiful artist.
Jessica Gomez na may hawak na may iwag ang iyang
God,
sagot ako si Inuyasha. Kaya paano kung
God.
hindi ka nakilala, siguro nakakulong pa din sa nakaraan, di makala. Hindi ka nakilala. Oh, yeah. Yeah, paano kung hindi ka nakilala, siguro nakakulong pa rin sa nakaraan, di makala.
Oh my goodness, that's incredibly amazing. And that's, oh my God, how he just sing with that, this control of voices. Goodness gracious, that's truly amazing. And I really like the way he just performed with this one. Oh my God, I really like it. I really just like those lines. It's just so impressive. Whew. It just, I'm holding my breath. Oh my goodness, that's really, it's like mind blowing. I just crazy incredible. I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one because I enjoyed it so much. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Marco Rodio or any artist from the Philippines, put in a comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. Thank you so much, guys. God bless and mabuhay kayong lahat. Thank you so much, Ninin, for suggesting also with this amazing, or Ninin, I know that some other are suggesting with this one, but I truly appreciate Ninin for always coming in our channel and supported with it. Thank you so much, guys. God bless and mabuhay kayong lahat. See you in my next video reaction. Bye-bye, guys.